In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the proper function in Google Sheets. So let's get started. So open your Google Sheets. Okay, I have prepared this example for you. So we are going to make or use the proper function for this words, for these numbers which are in the small let or the beginning of each word is in the lowercase. So how can we use the proper function? Okay, so it's just very easy. Just simply select the cell that corresponds to the word and simply type equals proper. Okay, open parenthesis and then select the cell. Okay, and then close parenthesis and hit enter. Okay, and you also have here the autofill. So if you want to go with autofill, you can simply check that. And that's it. That's how you can easily use the proper function in Google Sheets. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.